everyone, Amanda here from Scrimpingmommy.co.uk. Quick show and tell today. Now I have followed a tutorial from my friend Kay. I've shared Kay a few times, as it were. I've shared her link before. She is one of my suggested channels because there's her and Karen there are my longest standing crafty friends. But I will leave a link in the description box below as well. I'm not going to do the tutorial because she's already done it. I'm just going to show you what I came up with. And I've used the Parisian Blooms from Stampin' Up! And some craft style cards from my stash. And the envelopes that I used measure approximately 7 by 5 by 7. Alright, so I've got a seam binding closure here. Alright, simple as that, with just a rivet there, eyelet, not a rivet. Alright, so basically it makes a flip out envelope kind of insert. Now you could utilise this, as Kay says, as a card, as a little standalone mini album, or you could put it with a journal. Alright, so I've decorated it all beautifully, as you can see, and then that opens out like so, and we've got more of that beautiful paper. And then it opens out like so, and we've got a little pocket there that I've created, and this mini tag. And I've kept the tag small so we can see the little bit of collaging that I've done there, tiny little bit. And these are fussy cut from the decorated papers. We've made the little pockets, we've got a little bit of lace from my stash there. Alright, and then it opens again, and we've got this pocket here. Alright, with some more of the beautiful paper, and I fussy cut some more flowers from the paper and some more here and put it on this pretty tag with a little bit of scrap material and one of these ribbon embellishments just hot glued on there, and that goes in there. The tag I just made by hand. It measures 6 by 4 about, I think. 6 by 3 3/4. It's plain on the black. You could use it for journaling, or it's just for decoration. And then the final section here turns into a pocket, and here we've got 2 beautiful tags. Again, I've die cut the papers and just added them on the tags and left the back plain, perhaps for journaling. Cut some more of those lovely flowers, and I've used lots and lots of the paper from the beautiful Parisian Blooms. This trim here was gifted to me by Eileen Nielsen. I just wanted to show her that I do use, have used it, and I may well send this to Eileen. And then on that side I've left that plain. Perhaps somebody would like to put a photo mat on, and then obviously you've got the back as well that you can decorate. Very, very simple idea, but very lovely to make. I had great fun, and you can, decorate them as much or as little as you want. You could add flip outs, etc, etc. I had great fun. I hope you like it. The Parisian Blooms is extremely beautiful paper. It's very easy to work with. It's not difficult. The colours are kind on the eye. The decorations are beautiful. The only other thing that I have done is I have distress inked all the edges of everything with what have I used? A vintage photo. There you go. Okay, so that folds again like that, and then it folds like so, and then that closes like so. Alright, and you've got that little booklet, and then I just get my seam binding. This is what size is it? I think it's a 1/2 inch seam binding. I did get this from America, and I feed that one through there, and just literally tie it in a knot. And seam binding's meant to look, crumpled and a bit shabby and a bit tatty looking. That is the beauty of it. So if you'd like to make one of these, super simple, hop on over to Kay's channel and follow her tutorial, and then just like I have, you just decorate it however suits yourself. So there you go. I hope you'll give that a try. Thanks for watching. See you soon.